of fun. This is our biggest year yet, most excitement, and the most organized, best staff, and the best players, and the best sponsors. So it's a recipe for LBA Spring 2026.
It's about to get real. They're all rolling in. The season is here.
And he ropes right home!
Oh, and he ripped! Oh, what a good rip!
First base, who's that? Lauer. Lines it. Oh, sliding. No, he dropped the ball. And that's going to be the first run of the game. Oh, no. Ball's in. Oh.